Hey everyone, couple new vehicles in the collection this week. First up is this monstrosity. This is kind of famous for being one of the ugliest cars of all time. This is the Fiat Multipla. This is resin by Otto, Automobile. And this came out, I guess, in the 90s, probably early mid-90s. And it was kind of what you'd call an MPV or multi-person vehicle, kind of basically a small minivan, but it had more traditional doors, and it had 2 rows of 3 across seating, 3x3, and it was ugly. Mainly this like bustle, this I don't know, and second set of lights. It is pretty ugly. Some people say, well, why do you have it in your collection? Well, I mean, I like models. I like a good model, and this is a good model of a famous vehicle, famous for being ugly, so I wanted it. It came pretty quick from an Otto pre-order. I paid the Otto retail, which is about $70, $90 landed at that price. I'm not mad at it. I don't think anyone else is really going to make this model. There is no open grills, no open mesh. Kind of a no-frills model, but it's accurate. Flip it over and it's car number, what is that, 688 out of 999, which is a reasonably small run. Lately they've been doing 2,000 to 3,000. Even they know that people are gonna maybe avoid this because it's ugly. A face only a mother could love. But I love it. Good and ugly. Here's your typical packaging for Otto of your white enclosed box. Nothing really to see there. Next up, we do have opening diecast. This is by Greenlight. This is a fairly new release. This is another vehicle that it's for Dukes of Hazzard, but they don't package it as Dukes of Hazzard. Hazard County Garage. This is what Cooter drove in the Dukes of Hazzard TV show, which was, you know, as an 80s kid, one of my favorites. This retails for about $129. I think it's a little bit much for a Greenlight. I don't think the detail is that great, but no one else is making this. This is currently on sale at Mint Models for $98, but if you use coupon code MM15, it's $83. So at $83, I'm not mad at it. You have some, you know, a decent amount of moving parts. The wrecker part is pretty detailed functionally. The hood opens poorly as usual because it's Greenlight. So you've got some kind of wonky gaps. But if I could get it open, I would, but it's just typical junky quality. Actually, maybe the hood doesn't open. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the hood doesn't open. They just give you hood gaps like it does, so one of the two. Maybe the hood, yeah, the hood probably doesn't open. You're welcome to correct me in the comments, but it's certainly not opening without a lot of fight. Lately on their releases, the doors only open, so just might be the case here. Oop, there goes that. I think these are numbered. I don't know how many they made, but this is 486. So again, typical Greenlight quality, but I wouldn't pay the retail of $129 on it. Packaging, you've got a really big enclosed styro, full color box art. And again, it doesn't say Dukes of Hazzard. They just don't want to pay the licensing. Typical Greenlight, what can I say? So that's it for this week. Tune in Saturday for another Diecast Doctor. Everyone like and subscribe, and have a good one.